Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie. I have another unboxing video to share with you, so we're gonna get into it right away. But I thought I would share a sneak peek of next week's card because it's just so cute. And I love me my waving pull tab. All right, that's enough of that. I'll set that off to the side. So I ordered a couple of things from Simon Says Stamp, as well as Waffle flour. For those of you who follow me, you know that I have been wanting to do a swatching video. So I wanted to get a few more things before I get started on it, hence the waffle flour purchase. You don't need to purchase waffle flour products to do swatches, but they sure make it easier. So, oh, that's cute. Also, FYI, for all of my Canadian friends, when you order from Waffle Flour, you don't have to pay duties and taxes, which is awesome. I've ordered from Fawn before, and I had to pay duties and taxes on it on top of the shipping, which was quite a bit, so just FYI. Okay, let's start with the Simon products. I caved and I got the scalloped box card pop-up. I have made this card before from scratch, and it's fine, but I'm the type of person where if I can have a die to increase my productivity time, I will totally do that. Okay. This was a free gift with purchase. Sorry if you can hear my animals. They're totally cats and dogs and going after each other. So this is a really cute die. I do believe this this was a die that they also included in the Valentine's Day card kit for 2021, which is outside of their regular card kit. Super cute. I am not mad that I got that. Yay! This is good until March 1st, everybody. And there's new Lawn Fawn product coming out. Did you see that? I'm so excited. Okay, now the reason for this purchase was Kitsch Flamingo. Sorry for the high pitch, but I'm just so excited. And then I am getting into the habit of when I buy the distress ink, I also get the Oxide. And I picked up another Oxide in shaded Lilac that I don't have. And then I also get the re-inkers every time so that I don't have to scramble if I use a particular color lots, which I do. I'm actually kind of regretting my choice not to purchase re-inkers for my distress inks. I have my distress inks. Hang on one second, I'll show you guys. I have all of them. I have them in these little tiny squares, which are awesome, but there's not a lot of ink in these. So I'm having trouble figuring out if the issues that I'm having with the colors are just the color or if it's because the ink is getting dry. So I need to get the re-inkers to figure that one out. Okay, now onto the waffle flour. This is so cute. They wrapped everything in here. And there's an invoice, which I really like. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. They had included a free die. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Waffle flour, you get my vote. For the win. This is the cutest packaging ever. All right. Now, what do we got here? So, I already have quite a few waffle flour products, and in my January unboxing, which I'll link here, you did see me receiving some other waffle flour products. This time, I made sure that I didn't already have these. This looks very similar to one of the other stamp sets that I have, but it's just a 3-fer, and you actually get these cute little stamps here, so you can stamp next to the line in the color that you are swatching. So whether it be stamping or you can even color it in. This is the coordinating stamp set to a die set that I received in the previous unboxing video that I mentioned. And this is a color swatches die, and this is actually the reason why I purchased from Waffle Flour directly, because this die is not hasn't been in stock on Simon Says Stamp for a long time, and I wanted it because I do have the coordinating stamp set, and it's really great for swatching, and it's good for swatching Copic blends, so I will be playing around with that. And then this is the Color Combos tag die, which goes with the Color Combos stamp set that I received previously, and also goes with this one here. So yeah, and it's just a longer tag die. So last time I showed you the smaller one, which is about this size. You can't really tell, but the top of it is here, so it's about this size, maybe a little bit bigger for the other one. And then this one is really big, so it's really nice. I saw some great inspiration on the Waffle Flower channel about how they used it to swatch out everything from the different distress inks, both inks and oxides, with different cardstock and how they looked. They also used it to swatch out embossing powders, which I thought was really cool, and I've been meaning to do that as well. So there's lots that you could do with this, and I'm super excited. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing, but I do want to say thank you so much for joining me. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the notification bell. And if you got value from today's content, please hit the like button. As with my previous unboxing video, I am going to be linking any projects that I do back to this video, so please do check back to see if there's any updates. That being said, if you go back to my unboxing video, if you haven't since it's been released, there's a few updates of a few card projects that I've made that you are able to check out on there. So I hope that you do, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!